There you go. We've got a blank Microsoft Excel worksheet showing up here. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to navigate a little bit around here, kind of give you an idea of what some of the buttons do. So let's try naming a few things first. First, we've got these little squares here. These little squares are called cells, okay? And a cell is where you put a little bit of information in. The cells are arranged in rows, so I can either highlight a bunch of cells by clicking and dragging, or I can come over here to this left-hand column right here, and I can click, for instance, the number 1, and that will highlight the whole cell. Now, the nice thing about selecting this whole row of cells is I can create formatting that will be exactly the same the whole way across. For instance, if I needed to make a header or a kind of a title cell for the top of my columns, I could have them all bold, I could have them a certain font, I could do a lot of things with that, all right? So likewise, I can select a column by selecting one of these these letters up here. So I've got A, so I'll select B. When I select the gray box with a B in it, the whole column vertically is now selected. That means every cell in that column I can format in a particular way. So for instance, let's say I was gonna, in this particular column, I was gonna put in dollar amounts. So I can format this so that at every number that appears, a dollar sign will come to the side of it. Or maybe I was gonna want dates. So I could format it so that a date is a specific way. Or maybe I wanted numbers that went out to the hundredths place value. That would be 2 place values to the right of the decimal point. So again, I can format that any way I want to. All right? So those are some good things to know.